Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to make cow neck top. First of all, you'll be folding, you need 1 yard of material for this project, and you'll be folding it into two. That is wideness of 36 inches, and the length will be 90 inches. That's what I've seen on the video. Then you have to cut out like four strips. That's 4 rope, and those rope will be using it the for the top and the downside of the top, so that you can tie it. One will be for the neck side and one will be for the waist side. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm cutting out the rope that I'll be using for the top. And it's 3.5 inches I cut out. So 3.5 inches, you fold it into two, take it to your sewing machine and sew it down. You do the same thing for the other one, and you do the same thing also for the for the for the remaining two pieces. Yes, I'm cutting the other one to make it for four strap. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I'm taking out the excess away from the side to give it a straight material. And if this is the first time of coming across my channel, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, like, and give us a comment. Thank you. Then you take it to your sewing machine to sew it. Yeah, the same thing. You're still doing the same thing you're going to do for the first one. That's what you're going to do on this one. Take it to your machine and sew it down. Yes. This time I've finished sewing it. I ironed it. I gave it a good press to see how beautiful it is. Two of it, you'll be using it for the neck side. Then the other two will be at the waist. What you need to do now is, we have to, your material is folded into two. Yes, that 19 inches is by two. That's making it 38 inches as the length. Then when you fold it into two, it will give you 19 inches. So you see what I was doing. I just have to use the scissors to put a cut at that place. You take one of the strap or one of the rope, place it at this down part. I went up with 4 inches. Use your tape. I went up with 4 inches. Yes, then you pin it down to put it. Just pin it down. Take the second one and put it at the upper side. Then also you pin it down to stay stable. And there's one thing about this material for you to use. Make sure it's not very hard. It's not this strong fabric. So you can use crepe, you can use chiffon. Chiffon is better, understand? But if you want a thicker fabric, please just use crepe for it, because you need something that is not too thick, so that it can drop very well on your body. Yeah, you do the same thing at the other side. Put the rope there, pin it down. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You do the same thing on the other side. Go up by 4 inches, then place your rope there. You take your pin to secure it so that it doesn't move. And if this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please, thanks for coming. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. When you are done with it, you take it to your sewing machine. Just sew it from that side down to the other side. That's how simple it is. You don't really have to. It's not a very hard something to do. You see, when I finish, I give it a good press. If you notice at that side, I turned the material from that place, from this particular place, and I use my hemi gum to seal it. Instead of using your machine to match it on top, just use your hemi gum to seal that place with your hot press, and nobody will even see where you brought it out from. And this is our final look. Thank you. This is beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you on my next video.